I've been prepping to start doing video for Assembil for a while now. I have a new camera, I'm teaching myself to edit, but the trickiest part is finding the right way to talk about sewing with video. I could just do some really beautiful technique videos that match the Assembil sewing book, which I think would be really helpful, and I still intend to do videos like that. But I worry that making sewing look too perfect feels a bit out of reach. I don't want flawless sewing of beautiful clothes to feel like something that happens in a far-off place. Sewing shouldn't happen only under perfect circumstances in a couture bubble or an Instagram perfect studio. Teaching people to sew is not necessarily a difficult problem. There are already plenty of tutorial videos out there if you are feeling motivated and know what you want to learn. Making sewing an everyday part of our lives is a trickier problem when we all feel so time poor. If you've never sewn before, how do you make it part of your life? If you have had a few false starts at sewing, how do you get better? I think if you want sewing to be part of your life, it should feel more like cooking. Sometimes you might want to work on an incredible designer project or start your own fashion label, the same way that sometimes you want to do fancy cooking worthy of a Michelin star. But sometimes you just want to do some everyday sewing, and this is how you can get better a little at a time. Or to use the cooking metaphor, sometimes you just want the sewing equivalent of whipping up a quick bowl of pasta. We need to eat and we need to wear clothes. And it's nice if you can feel like making nice things for yourself or your home or your family is something you can do at home on any other day, not when everything is just right. Patch a hole, fix the strap on your kid's backpack, or sew yourself an incredible trench coat. And when you mess up, you just keep trying. You don't stop cooking just because you burn a pot, and you don't have to save all your sewing energy for when you have perfected couture techniques. Video is very new to me, and it would be easy for me to keep putting off getting started until I thought it was perfect. I probably would have liked to start my sewing videos with some gorgeous self-drafted and draped pattern made into a chic coat. But here we are. My daughter wanted some flowers on a jumper, which is something I can do on my kitchen table, so I might as well start there.